minsan nakakapagod din, di ba? We couldn't help but wonder, is there a better way to ban— Konnichiwa minasan! Welcome back to Nano You Know. I'm Angel, your friendly guide through this amazing and slightly spooky world of NanoAce. So, let's talk about the past few years. Alam niyo yung tipong haunted house level ng germs ang nasa paligid natin? We were all locked down like it was some apocalyptic movie, clutching our alcohol bottles as if they were magical potions against the unseen monsters. Naubos nga sa groceries, remember? Parang nanggo si alcohol sa shelves. It was everywhere. Bags, cars, every room, bawat sulok walang takas. But as much as alcohol was the MVP of that horror flick, admit it, ang hirap din minsan. The smell of the alcohol alone haunted us. I mean, we all wanted that super clean home, pero minsan nakakapagod din, di ba? We couldn't help but wonder, is there a better way to banish the germs without all the extra work? Well, I've got a new hero to introduce, NanoAce. Ready to give alcohol a spooky scare? Because this one's a keeper. This is for all the moms who want to keep their homes sparkling clean but are tired of the scent of alcohol. Para din sa mga business owners na pagod nakakabili ng galon-galon ng disinfectant like it's some kind of witch brew. And syempre, sa lahat ng health-conscious dyan who worries about the spooky effect of harsh chemicals. Now, let's talk about alcohol, the classic cleaner of the past. Alcohol's always been a trustworthy ghost buster, effective, dries quickly, and always on the call. But beware, alcohol can be a trick. Drying out your skin, leaving out strong scent everywhere, and requiring you to constantly spray and wipe. Yung kamay mo nagiging mummified na kakaspray. Now, let's go to NanoAce, the new kid in the haunted house. NanoAce is like the superhero of cleaners. With its titanium dioxide photocatalyst technology, it creates a protective barrier against germs, odors, and more. Long-lasting, safe for kids, pets, and everyone in between. Parang magic, but no tricks, just treats. But how does NanoAce work exactly? When light hits those tiny titanium particles, it's like casting a spell. They get supercharged and break down germs and odors, as if they were ghosts in your home. Super effective, non-toxic, and eco-friendly, perfect for any haunted or clean houses. Let's do a quick showdown. Alcohol versus NanoAce. Who do you think will win? For duration, alcohol's power vanishes like a ghost, gone in minutes. NanoAce, well, it lasts for years after one use. Parang enchanted shield na hindi basta-basta nawawala. How about for safety? Alcohol may leave a spooky, dry residue. NanoAce is gentle, safe, and non-toxic, making it the perfect potion for homes with kids and pets. Less trick, more treat. Now, for convenience. Alcohol needs, spray, wipe, and repeat. While NanoAce, it's one spray and the protection hunts your surface for a long time. Effortless and more cleaning horrors. So, in the showdown of alcohol and NanoAce, it's clear that NanoAce is the ultimate winner. Say goodbye to constant spraying and hello to effortless, long-lasting cleanliness, minus the hunting. That is it for today's spooky episode of Nano You Know. Don't forget to hit the like button, follow us on our social media for more tips. Until next time, keep it clean and ghost-free with NanoAce. Bye!